Do you know that you can harvest garlic twice? These are garlic scapes. So they come out end of June and they are yummy. So you can eat these. They have a very subtle garlic taste. So they're awesome in all cuisines, salads. You could put them in stir fries. I've made garlic salt with them as well. I have made pesto. So there's a lot of uses for these. And they're absolutely amazing. And you do want to remove them for a few reasons. Well, the first reason is because they are super tasty and you definitely want to maximize your harvest. And the second reason is because removing these will now put the energy into the bulb. So if you don't remove these, they will your bulb technically will be a lot smaller, so you want to make sure you now remove these because this is a flower. So when the garlic goes to flower, it puts all its energy into that, which means that your garlic bulbs, the ones that we want to harvest in July, are going to be a lot smaller. So you definitely want to take these off, and they are absolutely the best times when they're this curly. When they become straight, they become a little bit hard and woody. So this is the best time to harvest them. And there's a few ways to harvest as well. You want to make sure you get them all, and you do find them. There's a few ways to harvest them. I've seen people pull them, so you kind of take the scape and you pull it out. I find that very time consuming and trying to figure out where it's gonna pull, and this one broke off. So I do either snap them off or I just take the scissors and I cut them. So, but they are pretty satisfying to even just snap them off and be on your way. But again, I just kind of come in, I see them, and I cut them with the scissors, and it's just a really quick way to do it. You don't want to miss any. Again, your bulbs are going to be much smaller if you do, and we have a lot of garlic here, so I'm definitely just going to go through all of it and collect these and figure out a great way to preserve them. I have chopped them up and put them in freezer, so great for stir fries and so forth. And I've dehydrated them. I've done tons and tons of stuff with them. So there's a lot of great options for these. You can also sell these. I've seen them at farmers market where people were selling them. I don't know for how much, but why not? Give them to your neighbors, make some friends. But they're definitely, you accumulate quite a bit. So you do want to figure out a way or something to do with them pretty quick. What's cool, I have let them go to seed once just so I can see what that looks like. And definitely your bulb gets smaller and they do go into seed, and it's pretty cool because then you really have garlic seeds, which most people don't use them to plant. We use those bulbs to plant for next year. So it's just it is fun, it's pretty. So if you do want to let a few go to seed and see how that works, I definitely wanted to experiment with that, and I did. And I do like to take these off. Again, it's nice to harvest the garlic twice. I might try infusing some oil with these so we can have like a garlic olive oil or something like that. That'd be really nice for salads. So I might try that this year and see how that turns out. And I can keep you guys posted. But yeah, this is it. They're amazing. So enjoy gardening. So I hope you guys enjoy the garden, and I know that I am enjoying sharing this with you. There's a lot of cool stuff that I'm still learning. It's definitely something that I'm having fun in the process of learning, and I appreciate you guys coming on this journey with me because it is constantly learning. There's always new challenges in the garden and on the homestead.